The goal with this activity is to really loosen up your chest. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to get in a push-up position, and you're going to get basically all the way into the bottom of the position, and you're going to hold it for about 2 minutes, trying to control the descent as best as you can. But don't worry, you will fail at this. Here's what it's going to look like. So I'm here, I'm going to get my tuck, exhale and get the reach to start up. Make sure you keep ribcage position and you don't arch at the bottom. And you're going to try to maintain that as long as you can right here. And just nasal breathe for the 2 minutes. With time, you're going to get a little lower because your muscles in your chest are going to get stretched. Well, I would do the 2 minutes normally, but don't want to keep you here. But that's how it's done. Give it a shot.